is Rajbir. I've been with NetSoft for at least last 2 years now. Talking about my IT background is I've been working as a system administrator in IT. A lot of trainings with NetSoft, you can say virtualization, Microsoft Windows trainings, VMware, Citrix, Microsoft Exchange, SCCM, AppV. I have touched different technologies in different domains: banking, telecommunications, marketing, insurance, all those different sectors. I have worked in IT, and so I have done my Microsoft certification like MCSC for Exchange. I have done MCTS for in System Center Configuration Manager, which is SCCM, one of the Microsoft product in System Center. I have also done VMware certification, which is VCP. I have done Citrix certification, which is CCA in virtualization. I met somebody while in the gym, and they as like everybody tells their story, and I heard story of somebody who went through NetSoft and he was struggling. I saw him before, but when he came out of NetSoft, I saw a drastic change. His, like you can say, it's a positive change in his career and his attitude. So that's how I came to know about NetSoft, and I stepped in and I inquired about what programs they're offering, what are the technologies they're giving, how their teaching works, and I heard about Tariq, the way he teaches, the way everything goes. So that was the story, and I got referred by one of my friend Piyush. He was there. So this is how it started. I came in, I inquired about all the courses, and the journey started. All the experience I have seen in the last 2 years, the discipline is the first thing, time management, a lot of hands-on on the practical side, the lot of home fun assignments that you have to do at your home is make you up to date. The teachers who are teaching here, they have to go through rigorous amount of training before they deliver a course. That's a very good thing, and they have a set criteria for the training, the way they deliver it, and the way the expectation of their, so how much you expect from this institute, they expect same from you, and it goes on an individual level. It's not like there's a class is delivered and you on your way, and they keep holding on to the students, and and the good thing is they don't leave anybody behind. It goes in a group, and you will improve as a teamwork. You will learn how to do in a team, how to take care of your group mates. So basically in your class you will end up working with every single person in the class and making a team, and even your trainers will be your partner in the future. They will help you, they will guide you. So it's a lot of positive experience you will notice once you join this institute. My technical background, the education I have taken over the time, I have done bachelor's, I have done a lot of technical courses like electronics engineering. It was hard. I was thinking, okay, it's just like every school is just like they deliver the course, they give you the assignment, they give you the grades. That's how they rate you, and if you are average student, if you're somebody who likes hands-on, it's not good for you to go in those institutes. But when I came to NetSoft, it's a totally different environment. It is not like a school. It's like they make learning as an adventure. So here when you come here, you will start enjoying what you learn, and this is the best way to teach somebody. And they follow the same criteria. They will make learning in a fun way, that you will learn every single thing with the adventure, with the fun. So they keep it's not boring. They don't judge you by your marks here. They don't judge you by your communication skills. They will put extra effort if you're lagging something, and they will make sure that everybody is on the same scale to going forward. Having a knowledge and delivering it to somebody is a totally different things. And I think how NetSoft trainers are, they believe in the delivery, how is good to have knowledge, but they also believe in how the knowledge get transferred from one individual to another one. And also, so they follow the same criteria as the senior trainers here. So it's, I think, lots of hands-on, lots of effort being put on the trainer side also. It's not like somebody can come here and deliver the course and leave. No, there is a lot of efforts being put on the trainer side too. Equal distribution of my theoretical and hands-on. So every trainer has their own way of doing the courses. Like some will prefer doing hands-on first and then going to the theory side, and other trainers have their way of like giving a theoretical first and then doing the hands-on. The training was so much fun that we didn't even notice, right? It was like 13 hours, 14-hour class. It was so much fun, involved with the learning, and we get too much involved with the learning at that point that you don't even count the hours, you don't count the numbers, or you don't get fatigued mentally. You are once you leave from here, you are willing to do more. That you get into so much in technology, and that's how you learn from best point of it. So it is a lot of effort being put from the trainer side too. There is one thing for sure. If you are dedicated, if you want to achieve something, NetSoft is the best place to be. So cons is you will get in habit of working too hard. That's the only thing for me, but it's a good thing for some people. But yes, the only thing is you have to put a lot of effort to get success in the future. In the last 2 years, I have seen a lot of success with not only individually for myself, also with my teammates, I will call them now, my classmates, my junior, the guys who started after us. I have seen a lot of success story. Whoever worked hard and whoever took the directions from the trainers here, I didn't see anybody failing yet. Whoever put their effort to the level what was expected from the institute side, I haven't seen anybody failing yet. It's been like 100% success rate from my side. If you are lagging by yourself individually, yes, there are failures, but it's not coming from the NetSoft side. As I said, there's a lot of hard work involved. So usually on weekends we had classes of like 10 hours, depending on the courses. If his assignment is pretty big or the things it's pretty extensive, it takes a lot of time, we spend 12 hours a weekend, and usually it's an 8-hour day. During the weeks, we have to spend equal amount of time. So we have to spend at least like 3 to 4 hours a day, depending on the assignments given to us. And usually take like 20 hours a week to keep yourself to the expectation of the trainer. So it's usually like altogether 40 hours a week, including a weekend, that you have to spend on the studies. There's a separate course for it, which is included in their diploma program, and which is called Jaime. It will give you a lot of knowledge. It will first thing is in that course is it's solely based on how to make your resume, how to present yourself in the market, like when you go for interview, how to dress properly, how to express, how to shake a hand, how to smile, how to behave, and there is a lot of interview preparation during that time. And also they give you a lot of study material for the interviews, how you will prepare for the interview. If there is a job specific for VMware, as you say, they will give you lots of scenarios, lots of questions, how to prepare for that interview. They will tell you what resources you should be looking at, where you should be asking for help. This is and resume preparation itself. They will spend at least like 50 hours on that course. It's like I think it's like 2-month course or 8-week course, something like that. But lots of effort. They don't take. And other thing is they make that course so interesting that you want to learn more and more. And I have seen people going after that course, their personality have totally changed. The way they talk, the way they speak, and I have seen like 4 people getting job just after that course, because their way of talking to the interviewer or somebody, how to present, their dressing sense change. So it affects a lot. It's a really good course that is delivered here. Development, I can say this is one of the gain I see people, the way I came in here and the way I was here, before this thing, it is a lot. So it's a perfect mixture of, you can say, studies and the personal development. So for me, so like yes, I was here for my IT courses, but on top of that, I have also learned my time management skill, how to be disciplined, how to be on time, how to present myself, how to dress well, how to talk. So these things also matter in the society. So I have learned those things in the NetSoft too. My favorite training was Jaime. That was for interview preparation, how to present you, how to dress up properly, how to communicate, what should be a way, how to negotiate different things when you're in the interview. That was one. And second was, I can say, SCCM. I'd been through 2 trainings of System Center Configuration Manager, and it was very intense training and lot of hands-on to it, and we spent a lot of time learning that product. And I feel very confident once I was out of that course that yes, this is the thing I love the best. I like somebody to grow do better in their life, I will definitely recommend to come to NetSoft and improve their skills. It's worth your time, and is also lots of is not like other institutes that they will let you go if you are not to the point. They will put 200% of their effort to bring you to the level that yes, you are capable. They will boost you with that confidence that yes, you can do it. And that's how NetSoft goes. Like there are a lot of success stories you will see around them. Once you come to NetSoft, you will meet people. The environment is different. The people here are more motivated, disciplined, and very hardworking.